So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to unfollow and follow like servers, and I'm going to just show you what happens when you follow any server. So here, I'm in a Roblox server now. This could happen in any server, and here, follow to get this channel's update in its own server. And here you can pick your server, then the channel, and here, and then here comes I add it to my server, and here Arab Gaming has added Roblox feed. I mean, like the channel's name was Roblox feed, so that happened. And here, cause the channel name was Roblox feed, so that it could be any name. But here, now you learned how to follow it, so now I'm gonna show you how to unfollow it. So first you gotta go to this right top, here at the top, and then server settings. Then here will be a lot of options. What you want to do is go to integrations here and click it. Here it is, and then if you go here, there will be here Roblox feed, and you can also change the announcement to name or change the chat. The channel where it will post its updates, and you can just unfollow and unfollow, and it will just then save changes. Then if you do this, it's okay. Then after that, there will be no updates. You will get unfollowed, like the server will get unfollowed, and no updates like this. Spams, it will kind of be spam if there are updates like every day coming up. So here's how to unfollow these servers. So that's it, bye guys. And if you learned something from this video, make sure to like and comment down below that if it did help you or did it work. If any issues, then call me right in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be posting way more tutorials video, and bye guys, see you in the next video.